Creating a virtual machine allows you to run a separate operating system within your existing one. Here's a concise guide. Choose a virtualization software. Select a virtualization platform such as Oracle VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, or Hyper-V and install it on your host system. Download an operating system image. Obtain an ISO file of the operating system you want to install on the virtual machine. You can often find these on the official websites of the operating system developers. Open your virtualization software. Launch the virtualization software you installed. Create a new virtual machine. Click New or a similar option to create a new VM. Follow the setup wizard. You will need to specify the VM's name, location, and OS type. Allocate resources. Configure the VM's memory and processor cores based on your host system's capabilities and the demands of your virtual machine. Create a virtual hard drive and allocate storage space. Define the size and format. Install the operating system. Select the ISO image you downloaded as the installation source. Start the VM and follow the OS installation process as you would on a physical computer. Install virtual machine tools. Some virtualization platforms offer tools to enhance the VM's performance and integration with the host system. Install these tools as necessary. Configure network settings. Ensure your VM can connect to the internet by setting up network adapters such as NAT, bridged, or host only, depending on your requirements. Install additional software. Customize your VM by installing additional software and applications as needed. Use and manage your VM. Your virtual machine is now ready. You can start, pause, and shut it down as required, and use it to run applications or perform tasks specific to your chosen OS.